Welcome to Just Faye. Today we're going to be having
some
Little Caesars Mukbang. So we got Little Caesars pepperoni pizza, and we also have Little Caesars
chicken wings.
So let's start, Chanel.
You can call it.
I got some marinara sauce. This is out the way. We got some ranch and some marinara sauce.
Also, you can call it mukbang or mukbang, whatever you want.
I'm gonna put
And
a ranch
I have
in there.
this little slushy, which we got.
Let's get to eat, and you talking about. You got that slushy from McDonald's, and I have her blue drink.
It's really good.
So I have my order of wings, and I'm gonna start.
And it has the blue Fanta in it.
Mm-hmm. Let me see what you eat.
Mom, can you help me get a slice of pizza?
Mm-hmm. So Miracle only like pepperonis on her pizza.
I take the cheese off because I don't.
She take the cheese off.
And we have some ranch for the ranch lovers, which I am. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. I put it on the plate.
You want to have? She's gonna do her pizza. So guys, look. So my chicken bone, y'all. I threw it right in the plate. So then I'm gonna have my second wing. I'm gonna say it's really good. Good.
That's our puppy. So.
Well, I have something.
Why don't you like the pepperonis?
What does it taste like?
It tastes good. And it, the drink has the blue Fanta in it, which is really good. I never tried it, and it was my first time trying it, so it was really good.
So I dropped my fidgets video and Poppins video today. Where I went shopping at Five Below.
Can I have a napkin, please?
And when I got some poppets and fidgets for Chanel. Red Rock. So is it my time to eat some pizza? So like Chanel, I eat my pizza so weird.
Well, it's not that weird. I didn't like the pepperonis at first, but now I do.
Let's show them how I eat my pizza. I eat my pizza with nothing on it.
And this is how I eat my pizza.
And Chanel eats hers with
Well,
all the pepperonis on it.
I also used to eat it without the pepperonis, but now I don't.
Good. So now I need some marinara sauce. Ooh,
Ew.
my hands look so messy. See how many slices I can eat? That dog is crying for my food.
Sorry about that, guys.
So there's the other lady, and she was doing mukbang videos, and she was not using the mic, but she was smacking like crazy.
I'm gonna try a little bit.
You know, she was gonna kill me when I was smacking. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more slices.
Wait. But guys, this is how I eat it. I take a bite there and there and there. You know what the crust tastes like? It tastes like the pretzels that we get from the mall.
I'm looking at one thing. I don't say $2 food. Let me try a wing. So now I'm on my third wing. I'm going to just one.
Mama,
What?
why is it kind of spicy?
I know it is.
Mama, why did you not tell me that it's spicy?
French fries spanky puffy.
The ranch made it worse.
Okay, now I'm going to my second one. Chanel's still on her first one. You need a napkin?
It is so hot.
Oh, God. I don't even know if we're going to be able to eat the other piece of my stomach. Can warm it up, though.
Not mine.
Okay, look. My second slice. We have 3, 4, 5 left. So which pizza is the best? Little Caesars better than Domino's? You know, the one that your brother Trevor orders?
Well,
Alright,
Domino's does have those good cinnamon
No. So you like that from there?
cinnamon breadsticks.
So their cinnamon breadsticks better than Pizza Hut. Better than Pizza Hut cinnamon rolls.
Both of them are good. I can't choose both of them.
What about the chocolate chip cookies? No Pizza Hut.
Alright.
So who pizza better, Little Caesars or Pizza Hut?
Both.
No. And so you guys, we did a mukbang challenge, Pizza Hut challenge on Chanel Family Fun TV channel, which is my daughter's channel.
Oh, and we did a 4th of July mukbang.
And you and your brother Trevor did $100 plus pizza challenge, Pizza Hut challenge on your channel years ago. Threw my dog the crust because we don't like looking at the crust, eating the crust.
I do.
You still on my first slice, Chanel?
I'm trying to.
I'm going on my third one.
What?
My stomach about to be hurting.
I'm still on my first slice.
My stomach hurt. So now I'm on my next one.
Yes, sir.
My third slice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Ooh, look at the little slow eater.
I'm trying to eat really slow.
Yeah, so your stomach don't be hurting. Excuse me. This is what I have left for the wings.
I don't really like them.
I bet y'all know who could eat this whole pizza. Your brother Sonny. No. I have a son that's autistic. I'm gonna have him do a mukbang.
Why?
Because he'll eat all his food in like 5 minutes.
True.
3 slices left.
And you're on your third, and I'm on my third. Well, my second. I'm on my second one, guys. I'm a slow eater. I'm eating very slow right now.
You eating what?
I'm eating really slow. You know, I picked this
Done with
slice.
that one.
I picked this slice because it had the most pepperoni, and I love the pepperoni. The pepperoni is the best.
Chanel,
Yeah.
you might win this. This ain't even a challenge, but I can't even make myself eat no more. This was originally like, I don't know, I want to say like 8 wings. I ate some on the way to the house, so when I got here, it was only like 1,
There's
2,
a
3.
nap.
So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. And I ate 2 in the car, so this is an 8-piece. So I'll be already eating 4. I can't even eat no more. I'm so full. I'm gonna wrap these up and get this out of there. Well, guess y'all can watch Chanel finish eating hers. Cause there's no way I can eat all this without going to the toilet. What? I throw up. Was the camera on me, baby? What was on? Who the camera was on? Yes, Chanel. Please tell what on me this time. I was too loose with it. Let's see if you can finish our second pizza, girl. She got some. She got to finish this to win. Winner gets $100 out my purse.
Alright.
Yep. Let me get the money while you eating. I'm gonna win because guess what? I already ate how many slices? I already ate more slices than you. I've already eaten 3 and you've eaten only 2. If I eat 1 now, ain't no coming back. That means I ate 4.
Don't dare.
Look, guys, winner gets this. It's supposed to be a mukbang, but now I'm turning it into a challenge too. Ooh, why these $100 bills look fake?
They're not.
What you gonna buy with this? Some poppets? Miracle always be telling me about the popular stuff, and I always be too late looking at it. Too late filming, even though I get it. Oh, I gotta open my Barbie tonight too. So yeah, we got a new toy to open on Chanel Films on TV tonight. That I gotta open in a second actually, because I've had it for like, how long we had that Barbie toy? For like a week, because it just came out. I'm thinking. Woo! You gonna win this? You gonna win this money! You gonna win this money! And money carry germs, guys, so I'm not gonna be eating nothing else because it'll be germs to touch it. You got to eat one more. Can you do it? Don't do it if you can't now. I'll let you win because you the kid. You won, Chanel. You won. So you guys, we done. Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up. Turn the notifications on. Squad.